My dear students, welcome back. A very good morning to one and all. In today's session, we will discuss another concept in the artificial intelligence, that is intelligent agents. In the previous class, already we covered some concepts related to intelligent agents, that is what is the meaning of intelligent, what is the meaning of agent, what is the relation between agent and its environment. In that point of view, already we covered the example, an agent, that is a vacuum cleaner world. That in that point of view we will discuss about one small program also. Today's session we will discuss about the rational agent. What is the role of rational agent, why we are using the rational agents, those things in today's session we will cover. So already the intelligent concepts, the first concept is already covered in the previous session. Today we will concentrate on the second concept, that is good behavior, the concept of rationality. Before we are moving to that concept, first we will discuss about what is the meaning of intelligent agent. Okay, what is the meaning of intelligent? Intelligent means the ability of a system to think, the ability of a system to solve, the ability of a system to decision making. That is the meaning of intelligent. What is the meaning of agent? So here the agent is anything that can be viewed as perceiving its environment through sensors and acting upon that environment through actuators. What is the meaning of sensors, what is the meaning of actuators, already we have covered in the previous session. Actually, in the intelligent agent, it is the study of rational agents and its environment. So now we will discuss about what is the meaning of intelligent and what is the meaning of rational agent. Okay, what is the meaning of intelligent agent? Okay, these are two terms, one is intelligent, another one is agent. Why, in which situation the agent is called as intelligent? Actually, the intelligent agent is an autonomous entity which act upon an environment using the sensors and actuators for achieving their goal. Here the main goal of agent is to perform his task. So in that point of view, it receives input from the environment and gives output to the environment. So it receives the input from the environment with the help of sensors and gives the output to the environment with the help of actuators. An intelligent agent may learn from the environment to achieve their goals. Here the goal of agent is completely performing the task. Suppose we will consider the example thermostat. It is working on based on the environment. It perceives the information from the environment and gives the correct output. A thermostat is a regulating device component which senses the temperature of a physical system and performs actions so that the system's temperature is maintained near a desired set point. So that's why the thermostat is perfect example of intelligent agent. So here four rules for an artificial intelligent agent. So the first rule, agent must have the ability to perceive the environment. So perfectగా it receives complete information from the environment. That is the first rule. డెఫినెట్గా ఏజెంట్ అనేది ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ గురించి మొత్తం కూడా పర్ఫెక్ట్గా తెలుసుకోవాలి. దట్ ఈస్ ద ఫస్ట్ రూల్. కమింగ్ టు ద సెకండ్ రూల్, ద అబ్జర్వేషన్ మస్ట్ బీ యూజ్డ్ టు మేక్ డెసిషన్స్. దిస్ అబ్జర్వేషన్ ఈజ్ హెల్ప్ఫుల్ ఫర్ టు టేక్ ద good decisions. So that is the second rule. Coming to the third rule, decision should result in an action. So these decisions are helpful for to performing the actions. Rule 4, the action taken by an artificial intelligence must be a rational action. So ఇక్కడ పర్ఫామ్ చేసే యాక్షన్స్ అనేవి డెఫినెట్గా రేషనల్ యాక్షన్స్ అయి ఉండాలి. వాట్ ఈస్ ద మీనింగ్ ఆఫ్ రేషనల్? So based on the logic, based on the functionalities, okay, definitely it will give the some good result. Okay, then only that is an intelligent agent. So already in the last class we have discussed about vacuum cleaner world example as a agent. In that point of view, vacuum cleaner observes the information in the environment through the sensors. What is that? The dirty is there or not. Okay, that is the first rule. So based on the observation it take the decisions. Okay, vacuum cleaner take the decisions. Coming to the third rule, what are the actions the vacuum cleaner performing here? Either move to left side or move to right side, or do nothing or suck. Okay, so fourth one, definitely, the action taken by an artificial intelligence must be a rational action. Definitely, that is gives the good result. Now we will discuss once again that example. This is the agent function table of vacuum cleaner world. Here, the actions of vacuum cleaner is it moves to the right or suck or move to the left side. Okay, please observe the action. So left side, the percept sequence is there. Suppose here A and B are the rooms. Here the status of A room is clean, then it performs the right action. Okay, already this table is explained in the last session. If you want, once again, please go through that YouTube link. Okay, already that YouTube link also provided in this link. Okay, thank you. So the vacuum cleaner world, these four rules are followed. So that's why maybe the vacuum cleaner world is rational agent. Now we will decide. Okay. Next, in today's session we will concentrate on the good behavior. That means that is the concept of rationality. What is the meaning of rational agent? So actually the rational agent means it gives the clear performance, models uncertainty, acts in a way to maximize its performance measure with all possible actions. Then only the agent is called as rational agent. So here, suppose we will consider the example agent as self-driving cars, vacuum cleaner world, washing machine. When these agents are called as rational agent, definitely it gives the clear performance, models uncertainty, and acts in a way to maximize its performance measure. Then only we will call those agents as rational agents. Okay, actually a rational agent is said to be perform the right things. Okay, definitely it perform the right things. AI is about creating rational agents to use for the game theory, in game theory point of view, in decision theory, for various real world scenarios. So for an artificial intelligent agent, the rational action is most important, because in artificial intelligent reinforcement learning algorithm, for each best possible action, agents gets the positive reward, and each wrong action, the agent gets a negative reward. So definitely we will use the machine learning algorithms for learning the algorithms. Okay, at that point of view, reinforcement learning algorithm is helpful to learn about the algorithms. In the situation, for each best possible action, here the agent gets the positive reward, that means appreciation, and each wrong action, the agent gets a negative reward, that means punished. Okay, so in this point of view, one of the machine learning algorithm, reinforcement learning algorithm, is used. Okay, so why rational agents? Okay, so actually a rational agent is one that does the right thing. Rational agent means the performance is efficient, it do right things only. Okay, conceptually speaking, every entry in the table for the agent function is filled out correctly. Already we know the agent function table. Okay, what are the percept sequences, what are the actions we will performed, ఆ పర్టికులర్ టేబుల్ అనేది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఫిల్ చేయగలిగితే డెఫినెట్లీ we will implement one rational agent. Obviously doing the right thing is better than doing the wrong thing. Definitely this is perfect. Doing the right thing is better than doing the wrong thing. But what does it mean to do the right thing? As a first approximation, we will say that the right action is the one that will cause the agent to be most successful. Therefore, we will need some way to measure success. Here, in this point of view, how we will measure the performance measure, how we will perform the measure depending on the success rate. Already we know performance measure agent. Okay, it is depending on the successful. Suppose we will consider the vacuum cleaner world example. Suppose the vacuum cleaner is perfectly working and it is helpful for cleaning, then the customer is also satisfied. At that point of view, it will succeed in the successful performance measure is 100%. Okay, so definitely in that time the agent is called as rational agent. Together with the description of the environment and the sensors and actuators of the agent, this will provide a complete specification of the task facing agent. So that's why we want the rational agent. Rational agent means it is provides the right things only. That's why the customers are also satisfied with the the customers are also satisfied with the rational agents. So this is the information about why we want the rational agents. Performance measure of an agent, how we will calculate with the help of successful, which determines how successful an agent is. Okay, any wrong things, definitely at the time of wrong things it will punished by the reinforcement algorithm. Okay, so what is the behavior of an agent? It is the action that agent performs after any given sequence of percepts. So this is the behavior of an agent. What is the meaning of rationality? So how the rational agent work? What are the rules involved in the rational agent? ఓకే, సో ఇక్కడ సక్సెస్ఫుల్ మెజర్ అంటున్నాము, పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మెజర్ క్యాలిక్యులేట్ చేయాలంటున్నాము, రేషనల్ ఏజెంట్ డెఫినెట్గా రైట్ థింగ్సే చేయాలి అంటున్నాము. మరి అది రైట్ థింగ్స్ చేస్తుందో లేదో ఎలా ఐడెంటిఫై చేయగలం? సో హియర్ వీ విల్ డిస్కస్ అబౌట్ దోస్ రూల్స్. ఓకే, ద రేషనాలిటీ ఆఫ్ ఎన్ ఏజెంట్ ఈజ్ మెజర్డ్ బై ఇట్స్ పర్ఫార్మెన్స్ మెజర్. Rationality can be judged on the basis of the following points. Performance measure, which defines the success criterion. Agent prior knowledge of its environment, best possible actions that an agent can perform, the sequence of percepts. Based on these 4 points, we will decide the agent is either rational agent or not a rational agent. So first we will consider the performance measure. ఓకే, అది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా వర్క్ అవుతుందా లేదా, సక్సెస్ఫుల్ రిజల్ట్స్ ఇస్తుందా లేదా. సో ఇన్ ద ఫస్ట్ పాయింట్ వీ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద కరెక్ట్ ఇన్పుట్ తీసుకోగలుగుతుందా లేదా. ఇన్ ద సెకండ్ పాయింట్ వీ విల్ అబ్జర్వ్ ద ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్, ఏజెంట్ ప్రయర్ నాలెడ్జ్ ఆఫ్ ఇట్స్ ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్. సో అది ఎంత ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ గ్యాదర్ చేయగలిగింది. థర్డ్ వన్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద బెస్ట్ యాక్షన్స్, వాట్ ఆర్ ద బెస్ట్ పాసిబుల్ యాక్షన్స్. ఓకే, ఫోర్త్ వన్, ద సీక్వెన్స్ ఆఫ్ పర్సెప్ట్స్. So with the help of these 4 points, now we will decide the vacuum cleaner world is either rational agent or not. Already we know the vacuum cleaner world example. Okay, consider the simple vacuum cleaner agent that cleans a square if it is dirty and moves to the other square if not. Okay, this is the agent function table in figure 2. Now we will see that figure. Already this example we will discussed in the last class. Actually here 2 rooms, that means 2 squares are available. One square is related to A, another square is related to B. Okay, so in this in A square the dirt is available, B square also the dirt is available. For this point of view we will construct this agent function table. Okay, we will consider the A and B as the locations, clean, dirty. Okay, these are the status of that squares. Right, left, suck, these are the actions performed in the this agent function, vacuum cleaner agent function. Now okay, that is the agent function available in the figure 2. Actually, is this a rational agent? That depends. First we need to say what the performance measure. Okay, so first we will measure the performance. After that what is known about the environment. Environment గురించి పర్టికులర్ ఏజెంట్కి ఏమి తెలుసు, what sensors and actuators the agent has. Okay, so now we will discuss what is the first point. We will perform the we will calculate the performance measure. Actually the performance measure awards 1 point for each clean square at each time. Okay, overall a lifetime of 1000 time steps. Second one, second rule is already the rules are available in the previous slide, my dear students, please observe. Agent prior knowledge of the environment. First one is related to performance measure, second one is related to environment, third one is related to actions, fourth one is the sequence of percepts. Okay, so second one is related to environment. Actually here the environment is known as a priori, but the dot distribution and the initial location of the agent are not. Clean squares stay clean and sucking cleans the current square. The left and right actions move the agent left and agent right, except when this would take the agent outside the environment, in which case of the agent remains where it is. This is the information about agent. Now the third one is it performs the actions. Here the available actions are either move to left or right or suck or do nothing. Next, finally the fourth rule is the agent correctly perceives its location and whether that location contains dot. డెఫినెట్గా రిసీవ్ చేసుకునే ఇన్ఫర్మేషన్ బేస్డ్ ఆన్ ద ఇన్పుట్ ఇట్ వర్క్. డెఫినెట్లీ ఇట్ కంప్లీట్లీ correctly perceives its location and whether that location contains dot, then simply suck that dot. Okay, so finally with the help of those four rules we will decide the agent is rational. Okay, so that is very good response because the vacuum cleaner here perfectly worked. That's why we will decide this is the rational agent. Okay, so we have another option also there. ఈ పర్టికులర్ వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్ వరల్డ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ ఏజెంట్ అని కూడా చెప్పడానికి మన దగ్గర రీజన్స్ ఉన్నాయి. అప్ టు నో బేస్డ్ ఆన్ దీస్ ఫోర్ రూల్స్, అంటే ఇది పర్ఫెక్ట్గా వర్క్ అయింది కాబట్టి దెన్ వీ విల్ డిసైడ్ దట్ ఈస్ రేషనల్ ఏజెంట్. అదర్వైజ్ ఇర్రేషనల్ అవ్వడానికి కండిషన్స్ ఏంటో చూద్దాం. సపోజ్ once all the dirt is cleaned up, it will oscillate needlessly back and forth. If the performance measure includes a penalty of 1 point for each movement left or right, the agent will fare poorly. Suppose the vacuum cleaner దాని యొక్క యాక్షన్స్ని పర్ఫెక్ట్గా ఎగ్జిక్యూట్ చేయకపోయినా అలాంటి టైంలో డెఫినెట్లీ హియర్ ద రెయిన్ఫోర్స్ అల్గారిథం పనిష్ ద agent. So ఏమని it will perform the performance of this particular agent is poor. In that situation definitely we will say that this is irrational agent. Okay, అంతేకాదు a better agent for this case would do nothing once it is sure that all the squares are clean. If clean squares can become dirty again, the agent should occasionally check and reclean them if needed. If the geography of the environment is unknown, okay, సో ఎప్పటికప్పుడు ఎక్కడ డట్ ఉన్నా కూడా ఆ పర్టికులర్ వ్యాక్యూమ్ క్లీనర్ అనేది దాని పని అది చేసుకుంటూ వెళ్ళాలి. ఏ టైంలో అయినా అది ఎన్విరాన్మెంట్ని సరిగా అబ్జర్వ్ చేయలేకపోయినా ఆ పర్టికులర్ ఫ్లోర్ని క్లీన్ చేయలేకపోయినా ఇన్ దట్ సిచ్యువేషన్ డెఫినెట్లీ వీ విల్ సే దట్ vacuum cleaner is irrational agent. That is the difference between rational agent and irrational agent. This is the information about rational agents. Next session we will continue the intelligent agents concept. Thank you very much. Up to now, please stay at home, save yourself, family and society. Thank you.